tell them good morning?
Good morning.
Good morning.
I can't hear you. Say it louder.
Good morning.
Oh, that's too low. Let me hear y'all say it again.
Good morning.
What kind of morning is this?
Good morning.
Louder.
What up, peeps? Emmanuel Jenkins back at you with another one. And today we back at your favorite youth church where they're always out here. They always got something going on. They're always out here helping the youth. So, you know, today they actually got a field trip going on. They actually have a daycare who took a field trip here. So, yeah, so we gonna check that out and see everything they got going on.
It's because the string has got
Another bench here.
That's you.
Yeah, and we also have the hammock.
What's up? How y'all doing? Today was our first field trip. We thank for the Academy for coming out, bringing the youth out, man, and they was able to enjoy the nature trail. They was able to enjoy the zip line. That's what we want to do for our communities. We want to create a park for all our coaches to come out, man, to be able to enjoy, to be able to have a safe place, a place that they can enjoy, safe they can have fun, a place that we can take them into nature and it'll change their mind. Nature therapy. And that's what this park about, the Children Nature Trail. We thank God for blessing us, the ability to feed them, take care of them and stuff like that, and they had a great time. So y'all come on out 198 Pump House Road, Children Nature Trail. Hey, bring your older people out, let them wheelchair accessible. Let them walk the park, man, and enjoy the nature, man, and let God speak to them through the scriptures. God bless.
All right, peeps, everything was a major success today. Very first field trip. So they did a great job out here, you know. The kids were happy, everybody got fed, everything was great. And so with that being said, you already know, we're gonna go ahead and wrap this video on up, and I'll catch you in the next one. And don't forget to drop one good thing in the comments that you've done lately. All right, y'all have a good one.